Merry meet everyone. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and I'm here to get you your weekend reading. So, how was your week? I had a very surprising, insightful, and yet fun week. Actually, the energies are changing so much that everything that I have known as me is changing. Everything that I've thought of as as something I would do is completely becoming different. Um, Everything I want to go towards all of a sudden is different than what I usually would go towards. So the energies are making a humongous difference in my life, and I'm really enjoying it. Really, really enjoying it. So let's see what the weekend has in store for us in the same vein. It's the almond tree, and it says windfall. Inner riches grow from your psychological maturity, bringing a windfall of good fortune. Uh, I don't know why, but I feel almonds are telling you about happiness and love, are also telling you about the absolute celebration of life that's happening. And another thing is they're telling you to take care of your body. Almonds have a thick rubbery shell on the outside, thick rubbery coating on the outside, the wrinkled shell inside that, and then the almond. So it's almost like, the body, the mind, and the soul, that kind of a process with it, and it's really really beautiful. But you know, you you're very deep within, and you're not kind of coming out into the open and chatting and getting so chirpy like the birds you hear in the background. Maybe you just need to kind of get out and start having a good conversation with people. If you like someone, if someone is really attracting your attention, go out and make it a point to tell them about it. It's very important for you to express yourself more. This weekend is all about expressing yourself and about remembering that the pink and the white flowers of the almond tree, they're all talking to you about falling in love, having a great romantic weekend, having a great time for yourself no matter what. And secondly, there's a lot of partying, lot of partying happening. Also, there may be an important party that you're invited to. Take up the invitation, because this is going to open up the doors for many more important, beautiful, and lovely parties for you. So it's a simple thing. The only thing that I would like you to up and pay attention to is taking a medical test if you need to, or something's going wrong. Just check yourself medically. And like it says, inner riches grow from psychological maturity. So yeah, give yourself the shot to mature psychologically. I tried, it never works for me. But yes, I'm going to be trying to. I just did actually. I had a good morning psychological mature moment. So this card is just bang on for all of us. It's already started happening. So yes, it's the almond tree, and of course, almonds are very good for the brain and all of that. So go have a few almonds. Have fun. Have a great celebratory weekend, and tell me how it goes in the comments below. I love you guys. Take care. I'll see you on the week. Bye bye.